MotorWeek is made possible by Lucas Oil, Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper, and TireRack.com.
Mazda is fondly remembered for its sports car greats, DNA of which is often found in their robust SUV lineup. The latest example is this 2024 CX-90, a new flagship utility replacing the CX-9. The CX-90 was built from the ground up, offering 8, 7, or 6-seat configurations. It's dimensionally larger than the CX-9 in every way, including a nearly 8-inch longer wheelbase, translating into 75 cubic feet of seats folded storage. Onboard tech, like the available dual 12-inch screens, is impressive for its class, as are the powertrains. Base models get a turbocharged 3.3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, putting out 280 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque, while the Turbo S gets the high-output version with 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet. Both feature a 48-volt mild hybrid system. Sandwiched in between the Turbo and the Turbo S is a plug-in hybrid with a 2.5-liter inline-4 and an electric motor fed by a 17.8 kilowatt-hour battery, good for 323 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. Rear-biased all-wheel drive is standard across the lineup. In my opinion, inside here, there are very few vestiges of what Mazda used to be. But what I like is the fact that they've kept the same drive feel to me. The feel of the steering is very similar to what I'm used to in Mazdas. The suspension also has a familiar feel, and that's really what Mazda does. I'm glad that it's carried over here into the CX-90 because this is, yeah, it's a 3-row SUV, it's meant for families, but they're still prioritizing the drive dynamics. The 2024 Mazda CX-90 3.3 Turbo starts around $40,000, the PHEV just under $50,000, and the Turbo S starting just above that. After our Northern Cali first drive, we'd say the CX-90 is more than just a replacement and truly worthy of flagship status. And we'll have more quick spins soon.